Wow, we are finally here.
Yes, this is the hotel. It looks really nice.
It looks even better than I expected. We can visit many places.
Yes, and I want to try local food.
And I want to relax at the hotel as well.
That sounds perfect.
We have 3 days, so we have enough time.
Yes, we can do everything slowly.
Let's go inside.
Okay. Wow, I really like the design of the building.
Me too. And it looks very clean.
But I feel a little nervous
Why are you nervous?
because I have to speak English at the front desk. My English is not perfect.
Don't worry, your English is good. Just speak slowly and clearly.
What if I don't understand them?
You can ask them to repeat. You can say, please say that again.
Oh, that's helpful.
Yes, don't be afraid.
Okay, I will try my best.
That's the spirit. Let's go to the front desk.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Good afternoon. We have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Anna.
Anna, let me check. Yes, I found your reservation. A room for 2 people for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Your room number is 305. It is on the 3rd floor.
Room 305. Thank you.
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay, that's good.
The Wi-Fi password is on a card in your room.
Oh, great.
Here is your key card. The elevator is on your right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
That was easy.
Yes, you did great.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
See, you can do it. Let's go to the room.
Okay. Here we are, room 305.
Open the door.
Wow, the room is so clean.
Yes, and it's bright. The bed looks so comfortable. I want to lie down. Wait, look at the window.
Whoa, the view is amazing. I can see the city.
And the river. This is beautiful.
I love this room. Let me check the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, it's very clean. There are towels, soap, and shampoo.
Great. Everything is ready.
Yes, this hotel is really nice. Let me check the Wi-Fi.
The password is on this card.
Let me try. It's not working.
Really? Let me try. No, it's not working for me either.
That's strange.
Maybe there is a problem. Let's call the front desk.
Good idea. Hello, front desk?
Hello, how can I help you?
This is room 305. Our Wi-Fi is not working. We tried many times.
I'm sorry about that. Did you use the password on the card?
Yes, we did.
Can you try turning Wi-Fi off and on?
Okay, let me try. No, it's still not working.
I understand. We will send someone to check it.
Okay, thank you. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
That's fine.
Thank you.
They will fix it soon.
Good. You spoke very well on the phone.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant. Good evening. We'd like to have dinner here.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is that okay?
That's no problem at all. How many people? Just two. A table for two, please. Sure. Please follow me. I have a nice table by the window.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
Here is your table. Please have a seat. Thank you. This is a really nice spot. Here is the menu. Can I get you something to drink? What do you recommend? Our iced tea is very popular. Okay, I will take iced tea.
And water for me.
Sure. Are you ready to order food? Yes. What would you like? I will have pasta.
And I will have grilled chicken.
Great. Your food will be ready soon.
The food is here. The food looks amazing.
Yes, let's eat.
This is delicious.
My chicken is very soft.
My pasta is really good.
Do you want to try?
Yes. Wow, that is tasty. I like it.
Me too. What do you want to do tomorrow?
I want to visit the old town.
That sounds fun.
We can take pictures.
Yes, and find a nice cafe.
I like that idea. I'm full now.
Me too. Let's go back.
Okay. Let's stop at a shop.
Good idea.
Hello. Hello. Where is the water? At the back on the left. Thank you. I will take water, chips, and chocolate. Okay. Anything else? No. How would you like to pay? By card. Please tap here. Done. Payment successful. Thank you. We got snacks.
Yes, let's walk a little.
Okay. The weather is nice.
Yes, very peaceful.
I like this place.
Me too. Let's go back.
We have a big day tomorrow.
Yes. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. The bed was so comfortable.
Same here.
Let me check the Wi-Fi. Oh, it's working now.
Great. Now we can check maps to visit places.
Yes.
Let's go to breakfast.
Okay. There is a lot of food.
Yes, I will take eggs and bread.
I will take fruit and juice. This is very good.
Yes, I like it. Let's finish and go explore the city.
Okay. Good morning. We would like to check out. Room number? Room number 305. Okay, here's your bill. Let me check. Everything looks correct. How would you like to pay? By card. Please insert your card. Done. Payment complete. Here's your receipt. Thank you. Did you enjoy your stay? Yes, very much. The room was great, and the food was delicious. We are happy to hear that. Sorry about the Wi-Fi problem. No problem. It was fixed quickly. May I have your key card? Oh yes, here it is. Thank you. Have a safe trip. Thank you. Goodbye. That was a great hotel.
Yes, everything was perfect.
The staff was very kind.
The room was comfortable, and the food was amazing.
I learned a lot of English.
Really?
Yes, like how to check in, how to order food, and how to ask for help.
That's great. You also spoke very well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
You should.
I want to travel more.
Me too. Let's plan another trip.
Yes, soon. Our next adventure is waiting.